Greetings faculty and welcome to another WIS technology tutorial. Today's topic is learning languages. So I recently went to a conference and I learned about a tool that's actually really quite fascinating. There's actually several tools among this suite of tools for language instructors, and the one I want to show you is called Conversations 2.1. Now what this allows you to do is to preload questions or to pose questions verbally to your students and have them respond to each question asynchronously. Now what do I mean by that? That means I can create a dialogue with my students, sort of in a question-answer format online. So I'm going to front load all of my questions, and then they're going to go to my Moodle site and answer each question as it's asked. And the software will record their responses and submit them into my Conversations inbox. Let me take you into a sample recording. I apologize if it's not that great. This is mainly for demonstrative purposes. So here we go. These icons here on the left are some of my tools. So I'm going to go ahead and look at the responses. Great. So I see now a list, one of my students by the name of Joe, who in this case happens just to be me, or my alter ego, has submitted the assignment. Now, I want to play back the entire conversation I had with Joe. Here we go. Hola, ¿cómo te llamas? Me llamo Ricardo. Me llamo Franco. Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. ¿Qué edad tiene usted? Tengo 33 años. Como yo. Vamos al cine. Vamos. So, it's basically a pre-recorded question followed by a recording of the student answering the question, then skipping to the next question, then prompting the student to record his or her response to the next question, so on and so forth. So at the end, you can play back a well-organized dialogue that makes sense. Here we go. Where it says Get Code, this will copy it to your clipboard and you can paste it in Moodle. So if students go to Moodle, perhaps the assignment is to answer the 3 questions. So they would go there and then just follow the very intuitive instructions and submit their responses. And then you would have a kind of a one-stop shop to see all of your students' submissions, and then you can assess them. So I'm willing to work with you to get this set up in your classes if this is something that interests you. So thanks for listening. Bye.